Lex with another video. Hey, Lex with another video. I'm here with another video. I'm here with another video. I'm here looking like a Barbie. You cannot. Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lex the Barbie, Lexsamarie the Barbie, coming back with another video. As you see, my hair is super duper blonde. Today I'm going to be reviewing Yolissa hair. This is the hair on my head. So we're going to be reviewing this, installing, and toning the unit, because this was Barbie blonde before and now it's more, you know, dark skin friendly, giving me kind of storm vibes, platinum blonde, ash blonde. So I'm feeling it a lot more. As you can see, look at that hair quality. Look at that hair quality, okay? That hair quality. But if you are interested in this 24-inch unit, make sure that you keep watching this video. But before that, make sure that you like this video, you comment something down below, and you subscribe to my channel because, like, duh. But yes, let's just get into this gorgeous unit.
So here I'm just showing you everything that did come with my unit. I do get a scarf, I got some lashes, I got a bag, pretty standard, and I got a wig cap as well with, I believe, an elastic band. I'm not sure if it was in there, but I just wanted to show you guys what did come with my bundles, just so you guys know that you're getting a little bit more when you order. But let's talk about this unit, this blonde 24-inch 13x4 unit. As you will see, when it comes out that package, it is looking like a yellow dandelion crayon, okay? And if you know Crayola, you know the dandelion crayon is super yellow. So I just took it out the bag, you know, made sure it was all intact, 13x4, hair density 180, large, cap size. And what I did was grab some very warm water from my kitchen sink, and I used my shimmer lights. So shimmer lights just helps remove the brassiness from any blonde or silver hair, as you can see. And this will save you, boo. You do not need to get like real toner. This is it, okay? This Lex is helping you right now. So you just want to fill up that entire container with the shimmer lights, and it'll just, ooh, you will see the transformation. And if you do want to see a side-by-side, play this video back as many times as you need to be convinced. But all I had it in for was about 10 to 15 seconds, okay? Maybe more, maybe less. And it changed color instantly. Watch. Let me watch with you. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Do you? Because I'm telling you, the color just transformed before your eyes. So what you want to do is just wash all of that out. Like literally wash that entire unit until you do not see any more suds. You do not want to have excess shampoo in there, and you want to get it all out, all that purple out, so it doesn't get any more silver. So I did this for about, I want to say like 2 to 3 or like 2 to 5 minutes, just washing the hair. And then I blow dried it, as you will see in just a second, just to make sure that it is as dry as possible. This unit did have a lot of flyaways, so I just used my wax stick. That is the Bomb wax stick. I will probably have it linked down below, but this just makes sure that it looks super sleek, like literally no hair is out of place, and it just makes it look a lot, you know, a lot more professional than if you were to just slap it on and not make sure all the hairs were down.
Alright, so this is how the hair looks on my head with it toned and straightened. This is again 24 inches. Oh, let me take this off. This is 24 inches long. So this hair, oh gosh, I have so many things to say about her. So one thing I'm just gonna let you guys know, if you do wanna see how I do my reverse ombre on blonde hair, make sure that you watch the video after this because that's going to be the next thing I do. But I think that the toned hair really does suit my skin better than that yellow color. Oh, I have some hair in my mouth. But yeah, this is a better color I think for me, even though it's brighter. It pops more on my skin. I would definitely say that this is more Barbie. This is a very, very Barbie type wig. It's almost gray, but it's really not. Like, it still looks blonde, but it's like a platinum blonde color. But to get into the pros and cons, I would say for a pro, this is somewhat big head friendly, and the quality of the hair is very thick and probably, I guess, easy to straighten. I did have my flat iron on 420 to get it super duper straight, and just like the cut of it is really nice. I do like this quality hair on my head. I would also say the way it came plucked, I did not install it that well, so you know, I'm not gonna show you, but you can kind of see. I know I messed up there, but it's a good frontal. You do not have to manipulate it as much. So for the cons, I would probably say the lace in the front was weird. You see, I kind of have my sideburns out, but when I install it again, I'm probably gonna take more time just because the construction of the wig is a little awkward. I have a lot of space in the back, so I might have to, you know, cross the straps over just because of the type of wig this is. Another con that I would say is that the track up here is showing, but since I'm like 5'11" and I'm gonna be wearing heels with this wig, I'm not really sure anyone's gonna really see, but just be mindful of that when you are wearing this unit, just to make sure that none of the tracks are showing. And lastly, this is a con as well, but this happens, most wigs, obviously, they shed. So I did get some shedding after I shampooed the hair, but I mean, not to the point where it was concerning, but I do know down the line this is going to shed a lot. But I mean, it's super thick, so I'm not too concerned right now. But yeah, I do like this unit. I do like it blonde. Okay, I do like it in the blonde state. I like it in the blonde state. And I put on pink lips just so I can get that Barbie effect. But I do want to dye this unit, and you're gonna see me dye it and slay it and look like a bag, you know, a box of chocolates, okay, with some vanilla drizzle. Like, that's basically how I look, chocolate with vanilla drizzle. So I would probably give this unit like a 7 out of 10. Again, it's just like really awkward back here, but I'm going to maneuver and figure it out when I do my next install with it dyed and looking all nice and cute. But if you did enjoy this review on this hair, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what other wigs and styles you want to see me do on my channel. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe, okay? You got all the way through, you might as well subscribe. And that's it, okay? Bye.